Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. And also do well to follow us on Telegram because there we'll be putting out updates for you guys, because we might not be giving you the consistent updates on this channel, but we will be giving you the consistent updates on our Telegram. So stay updated with us on Telegram by following our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, I did analysis on gold. I told you guys that gold is going to push up, right? So which is exactly what gold is doing. At the same time, I also told you that gold is going to drop. So have it in mind that gold is still going to drop. So this push up is just a minor push up, by the way. With what I'm saying, it is just to stacking on buys. Maybe when more and more people are entering the buy position, then it will eventually drop. So have it in mind that gold is about to drop. It's either we start having this drop from here, or gold is likely to push up to this level here and drop. So any of this level is a potential drop for gold, by the way. So gold should be giving you this massive sell anytime soon. It's either we start getting it once the market opens, or we are likely to see it give us some bullish move to the upside before the sell will play out. So guys, have it in mind that gold is about to sell. And let's see, probably you can confirm it maybe on this 15-minute time frame. Probably, possibly, we can't tell. Maybe if gold can take out all these lows. Yeah, as we can see, if gold can take out these lows, there's every possibility it will continue to drop more. And if it does not take out all these lows, then probably gold will likely to push up a bit before the drop comes in. So by the way, we will give you the updates on the drop on the Telegram channel. So follow us, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.